Hi Covered here, my name's Georgia Fowler and I'm going to take you through a really quick and easy red lentil dal recipe. So I'm going to do the red lentil dal today with some spiced baked eggplant, some turmeric rice and cucumber riata. So these are all of our ingredients for the dal. We have some chopped green chili, garlic, a freshly grated ginger, white onion, canned tomatoes, coconut cream, red lentils, veggie stock, lemon, and our spice mix. So to start, I've preheated the oven to about 220 degrees Celsius, sliced up some eggplant and put them on a baking tray with some olive oil, fennel, chili flakes, turmeric, and cumin, and we're about to throw those in. The rice on. Whoa! Okay, that's got a bay leaf, some cloves, and some turmeric in it. We've just cooked that up and we're gonna let that sit and carry on to stay warm. All right, so I put the finely chopped onions and a lot of olive oil in the pan on a medium heat, and we're just stirring those around, making sure they don't burn for about 5 minutes until we're gonna throw in the chili, ginger, and garlic all at once. So after a few minutes, it's become beautiful and fragrant, and we're gonna add in our spice mix. There is about, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, coriander seeds, mustard seeds, turmeric, garam masala, and we grind those in a mortar and pestle. They're not already ground, so throw that in. Really important not to overcook this, otherwise it might become bitter. So keep it on about a medium heat. Stir that around a little. And then you're going to quickly throw in your can of tomatoes, of lentils, about 400 grams here, and then, amazing, some vegetable stock, about 500 mils. Stir that around, make sure it's all combined. All right, so we've just added in the coconut cream. I've used about half of the can. It's kind of to your taste. Just swirl that in. You can use coconut milk too if you want it to be a little healthier, or light coconut cream, but this will make it beautiful and delicious. That'll cook for about 15 minutes, so let's throw the eggplant in now. Good luck. So for the riata, I have got some natural yogurt. We're gonna throw that in a bowl with some cucumber that's grated, like with a cheese grater, some really finely chopped mint, and some lemon zest, and some salt and pepper. So let's throw that all together in a big mixing bowl. This is how it's stirring up. Woo! It's gonna be delicious. So you can sometimes add like a tiny little bit of maple syrup in there, just for a little touch of sweetness. It's kind of a special little trick. That's about it. It's about half a teaspoon. So stir that in. So it's been simmering for about 15 minutes, and we're just gonna add a few fistfuls of spinach. All right, so once you've stirred that in a little bit, let's just squeeze a bit of lemon. It's about juice of half a lemon in there. As dinner is served, this looks absolutely amazing. Can't wait for you to try. Hopefully my dinner dates will join me soon.